Next up in the trailer series is going to be a quick one. It's the Lowboy equipment, Lowboy trailer. Lowboys, their freight weight is 40,000 pounds for 2 axles, 80,000 pounds for anything beyond 2 axles. In the well, you have a height of 18 inches to 24 inches, and the well length is 24 feet to 29.6 feet. The legal width is 8 feet 6 inches. The legal freight height is 11.5 feet to 12 feet. And legal overall load height is 14 feet. This would be your Lowboy trailers, and they're a beautiful sight to see as well. So that would be my Lowboy trailer talk for the day. If you like it, cheers. Give it a thumbs up. If you don't, I apologize for my actions. Bye.